Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers of America? So I went in to log into my Seller Central account, and once again, I get this stupid message. Your account is at risk of deactivation, and I'm over it, but we got to deal with it. So I figured I'd just share with you what I'm going to do. As a matter of fact, this is actually somebody is claiming that I sent them counterfeit products or whatever it is. That is not the case. You're going to see that. I thought this might be good for your benefit because if you do arbitrage, it's just a matter of when. It's not if, it's when somebody's going to, sit up there and try and accuse you of selling counterfeit. I mean, it's so easy for customers to complain, but that's okay as long as you know the procedures. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you my account real quick. All right. So when you come in and there's your ugly message, like I told you before, Amazon is a little dramatic. Let's go in there and see what's going on. So it's not that many of them. I mean, yeah, it's probably too many, but some of these are old. Right away, I knew it was this one. Actually, there was a couple more, but I took care of already. Product authenticity, customer complaints. So we go in here and they're trying to say that these grounded hog tent steaks were counterfeit. Let me show you what we did with those, just so you know. So here they are. We sold 6 of these bad boys. I think that's all we were allowed to buy. Let me show you where we got them from because they are authentic. Actually, no. We actually ordered 10 of them. We only paid $2.50 each. So you could see selling those for $22.95. We were killing it. So there's a process you have to go through because we need to submit an appeal on this. Let's see. Now, if you click on this link, how to respond to Amazon anti-counterfeiting policy violation, you can actually watch a video. So what we're going to do is we're going to include the document date, and that date has to be prior to the policy warning. So we're good there. That document needs to include my name and address. That's good. Name and address of the manufacturer. Got that. Combined purchase of at least 10 units. As I showed you, we bought 10 of them. It says you can omit pricing information. That's optional. And then it goes on to explain that they may verify the submitted documentation. Now, what we did was we actually downloaded the supporting document. We just named it Sierra Order. It's a PDF. We're just going to drag and drop that there. And we're going to submit. You can see where we've received your submission. We will review your submission and you should expect a reply within the next 2 to 3 days. And that's pretty much it, guys. And we'll get back with you and let you know what happens. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. So here we are a couple of days later, right? Because now it's September the 14th. And what you'll notice, remember what we had: product authenticity, customer complaints, 0. That's done. Finito. It left. My account still shows at risk. but my point is, we got that one off of there, and you saw the steps that it took. Okay, it wasn't rocket science. I didn't get all bent out of shape about it, and sales are continuing. I need to get better, yes, but There you have it, guys. And you know what? I got another video about account health that we did a little while ago. We got a lot of good views, so you might like it. We'll put the link to that in the description. Show you how to do it. And like I said, guys, I said it in the other video, I don't get too excited. I don't get too bent out of shape. If you do, that's fine. Trust me, Amazon will word things in a way to keep you worried. And, you know, some of y'all just like doing that. If you was one of them little big head boys running home from school, then yeah, you're going to be worried about everything, and it's going to do you no good, except for you get to enjoy worrying. That's cool. But if you got anything out of this, please give it a like, a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave comments. We need your help. We need your thoughts. So we'll see you in the next video.